All right, this video is on synthetic division, and we've already learned about long division. So if you want to go ahead and pause and read through these 7 steps, what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you how to use those 7 steps. So this is your polynomial. That's going to go in this box. So the degree of that polynomial is a cubic. So I'm going to put placeholders all the way down to the constant. I'm going to put the coefficients. Five. There isn't an x squared, so I'm going to put a 0. +6 and +8. Now, the second polynomial that you're dividing by is going to go out here, but we're going to set it equal to 0 and solve for x. So this is what we're going to use. Later on, we're going to hope to see that this is maybe a 0 of the function. So I'm going to put a question mark for now. I'm not sure if it is. All right, so we have this set up. Now we're going to go ahead and use synthetic division. So step 1 is to always bring down that first coefficient. What's underneath the box is going to multiply to that x equals -2. So 5 times -2 is -10, and that's going to go underneath the x squared term. Now the rest of the columns we're going to add. So this is a column. We're going to add it. Now what's underneath the box is going to multiply to -2. So -2 times -10 is 20. Now we're going to add the column, 26. Underneath the box, multiply. So 26 times -2 is -52. Add the column. All right, so what we did is we divided 5x cubed plus 6x plus 8 by x plus 2. What we are left with is a new polynomial with a remainder. So we are going to drop a degree. So this is my x squared, my x, my constant, and my remainder. So what I'm left with is 5x squared minus 10x plus 26, and then a remainder of -44. So that's my remainder. So how you write an answer with the remainder is using the remainder theorem. You have your factor, your leftovers, and then your remainder. So we're going to go ahead and use the remainder theorem to evaluate the polynomial. So we're going to be using synthetic division. So this is our function. So our degree is 3. Put our coefficients and our constant. And we're trying to evaluate the function for 2. So that value is a 2 is going out in front. All right, we're ready to do synthetic division. So we're going to bring down the first term. We're going to multiply 1 times 2. We're going to add the column. Then we'll multiply -2 times 2. We're going to add the column. We're going to multiply 1 times 2 and then add the column. So our answer we're going to have is in this form if we have, so what we took out was the factor x minus 2. We're left with x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus a remainder of 5. So if I say, what is f of 2? It's your remainder. So if you think back to in Algebra 2 course, we say, what is f of 2? You would normally just say, all right, let's go plug it in. You plug in 2 for each of the x places. And what you're going to get is 5. This is another way to evaluate a function. So this is the important piece. Oops. This is the important piece you need to know. I was trying to highlight there. We need that number right there for evaluating the function. So what is the function evaluated at f of 2? It equals 5. So your answer is in the yellow here.